Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. So Riley is definitely a little slow today. I don't know why, but I don't think she's really interested in playing with her toys this morning. That's okay. We don't have to play today. We can just wish everyone well wishes, right? She was out all day. So I think she's just gonna relax today. She's gonna have breakfast, right? We're gonna have breakfast. Maybe mommy make you a sweet potato? And I guarantee in about half hour she's gonna be running around. But right now, Riley's got the Monday blues, huh? That's okay. We just want to say good morning and happy Monday to everyone. Or maybe not. Even when she's slow, she's still silly. Huh, baby girl? Do you want to tell everyone how much you love and appreciate everyone? Yeah? You want to wish everyone a beautiful day? And thank everyone for their support? Yeah? And do you want to go back to bed? And take a little nap again? Maybe we'll try later? Maybe later on we could play with your toys? Yeah? We could do that. All right, everyone. Riley's going to go back to bed. We just want to say happy Monday. Right, baby girl? We hope everyone has a beautiful day. Don't forget how incredibly special you are. And most importantly, don't forget, Riley loves you. Bye.